we are going to develop our understanding of tens and ones. And we're going to use our base 10 blocks to do that. Remember our base 10 blocks?
Yes.
Okay, help me out with this. What is this one?
10.
10. What do we call it? Can we call it a log? Very good, and it's worth 10. What is this guy?
A 1.
A 1. What else can we call it? A cube or a unit, right? A unit. Very good. These are our base 10 blocks that we're going to be using today. Okay, so our objective for the day, learning target. You guys are going to understand that 2-digit numbers can be broken apart into tens and ones. Okay, you got that? That's our goal for the day. Okay, all right. We are going to start with this. We are going to show 42 in 2 different ways. Okay, I have this up here, but I'm not going to do this for you guys. You guys are going to get tens blocks, and you guys are going to be doing this for me. Okay, on your own papers. I have a paper that looks just like this, and I have these bags here ready for you guys. Okay, who can help me pass out some papers? Actually, they're all over here. All right, Nottingham, will you pass out one of these to everyone? And Kelsey, will you give everybody a bag of tens and ones, please? Thank you. Okay. All right, when you get out your tens and ones and your thing, it looks just like this. On one side of your paper, I want you to build this 42 using 4 tens, and tell me how many ones you're going to use, okay? So I want you to build 42 using 4 tens and then your ones. That's what I want you to do first. Then we'll do our other side second, okay? So once you get your stuff, go ahead and start building. Building your tens and ones. We're making 42. What are we making?
42.
How many tens are you going to use first?
4.
Good.
Kelsey, let me catch it. No 100?
No hundreds because we're only working on tens and ones today. You should only have 4 tens. All right, build them right on your paper. How many ones are you going to need to make 42? How many ones do you need to make 2? There you go. All right, build them right on your paper, guys. Go ahead and build them up. Who else still needs a bag of tens and ones? Raise your hand so Kelsey can see you.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, yeah. Here you go, I got you.
Give it to Martin.
You're welcome. All right, thumbs up when you have built your 42 using tens and ones. Do you have one, Kelsey? Okay. Extras. Okay, Jason, I can see has it done. Ciamara has it done. Jalen's done. Okay, very good. Okay, how many ones did you guys use? 2. Okay, now I see Emmett did this and some of you did. Please write a 2 on that line where it says blank ones. That's where we're going to write a 2 right there.
Right here.
Okay? That was easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to make it a little harder. Now you need to make
More than
Huh? How many you got?
Yes.
Does it equal 42? If you counted, it was 42?
Yeah.
Then it's probably right. You can double check your answer by counting it and make sure it's 42.
And then you take one of these away. I did it!
You did it. How many ones did you use,
I
Golden?
did it like 12.
Well, then I read it right 12 on the line. Okay, thumbs up. Who has this done? Okay, most of us. Good. Okay. We had 3 tens. How many ones did you have to use?
12.
Who can explain why we did that? What do you think, Carter?
Because if you have 3 tens and you want to make 42, then you have to add one more 10.
Yeah, but we couldn't use a 10, so what did we do? What's that word that we've been using?
Oh,
Traded. We traded our 10 are 10 stick for 10 ones. Okay, and it equaled 12. Does that make sense to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now here's what we're going to do next. I lost my clicker. There it is. Okay, so what we are going to do next is I'm going to pass out a worksheet to you guys. Hold on. Oh, block. Should I be here in your blocks right now? No. Okay. I'm going to pass out a worksheet to you guys. And what we're going to do is we are going to use our base 10 blocks and with a partner, so you get a couple more numbers to work with. Timothy. You are going to choose any 2-digit number. Now remember, you and your partner have to be able to build that 2-digit number with your block. So could you choose 9? Well, you could choose just about any 2-digit number, okay? With your blocks that you and your partner have, okay? So you're going to pick any 2-digit number. And I want you and your partner, you're going to write it on this spot on your paper when I give you your okay? And then you're going to show me how to make that number in 2 different ways. Just like we did with 42. We showed it with 4 10s and 2 1s. And then we took a 10 away. So I want you to show me how you are going to build that number in 2 ways. One using your easiest number of 10s and 1s, and one by taking one of those 10s away. Okay. Now listen up, because I'm going to partner you up. You ready? Okay. You and your partner still get your own sheets, but I'm going to partner you up, and you're going to be with someone just right at your table, and you're going to combine your 10s and 1s so you can make a bigger number, but you could also choose a smaller number. Maybe you guys only want to make 25. That's fine. You and your partner need to agree on the same number. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, you're working together. Okay, let's do Thomas and Emmett. You guys are going to work together. Gabby and Jason, work together, please. Okay, you sit still for just a minute. Let's do Timothy and Benny. Tommy and Natanev. And then Kelsey, will you come over here and I'm going to have you work with Holden over here. Okay, so Holden, you and Kelsey are going to be together. Alright. Carter and Mahalet work together, please. Naomi and Bernu. Yeah. Nope, 10s and 1s. You're going to have to use some 1s as well, right? You're doing any 2-digit numbers. You work together.
Because only on the tool page said only base 10 blocks.
Oh, base 10 blocks. These are all of them are called base 10 blocks, even the hundreds. Does that make sense? Okay, Emily and Leah. Hands on top. Try that again. Hands on top.
Let me stop.
Okay. The first thing. I'm waiting. First thing you and your partner should do is decide what 2-digit number you are going to build. Do that now. And you're going to write it. Hold on. You need to write your 2-digit number on this line. And then, my voice is still on. First grade. First grade. You need to write your number on the line, and then you can start building your 2-digit number. Okay? Show me 2 different ways of how to build it. You can draw it. My voice is still on. Okay? If I choose 25, you guys can draw this here. I can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then show me your other way of how you're going to build it. Okay. Question, Burhan. We're not doing this yet. Right now, you are showing me your number. We're not doing number 1 yet. You're building your number, okay? Write your 2-digit number. Thumbs up if you have chosen a 2-digit number. Anybody? Good. Start building. Okay. you guys used 8 and 2, and then you used 7 and 12, right? So make sure and draw that on your paper. What? Oh, you guys are working together. Oh. Alright, you guys have space here? Okay, so one here we have 6 ones, 6 tens, and 5 ones. And then we did. Okay, fine. Perfect. Because we took it separate. It should have been 15 probably. I think you counted a little wrong. Okay, so we got my paper. Oh, draw my paper so I know what you did. Okay, so you drew the word. We got 75. Now what's another way? If I take, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take 1 away. And now how are you going to make 75 still if I only have 6 tens? What do you need to do with your answer?
A lot more.
You add a lot more to those. How many more are you going to add? How many is this one? 10 more of those.
Okay, we need 10 more of those. Okay.
All right, are you drawing how you made your work? We're not on the second page yet.
I'm not sure.
Can I see your work on the front page, please? Okay, you have 99. What's another way you made it? You got to make it 2 ways for me, right? Oh. So if you had 9 ones, 9 tens, then you have to take, there you go.
Already took it.
Okay. Can you make it 2 ways?
We made it full.
Okay, make it your second way, so take one of those tens away. Okay, so we made it 29. Okay, 1 way. Now, if I took this away, how can I make 29 now? What way to add them? I need to add some more cubes. How many more cubes are you going to add? You guys are going to have to figure out cubes to make it work. That's why I combined you guys up.
We have 19. No, 19. Look,
Okay, good. All right. Did you figure out your other way to make this, Kelsey? 13 ones. Good job, guys. Okay. First grade. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, it looks like most of us have this done. Okay, we were able to figure out our tens and ones. Who would like to give me an example of what they did? Leah, what did you guys do?
For our second time when we made it, when we took away the 10, we had to add more cubes.
How many more cubes did you have to add, Leah?
I think we have to add.
Well, you took a 10 away, so how many cubes are you going to add back on? 10. Very good. Did everyone else notice that's what they had to do?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay. So, let's look down at number 1. It says, circle the different ways to show 53. There are 2 ways that are correct on that bottom part. I put up a 3. There are 2. 2 ways that are correct. Okay? Let's look at the first one. What does that number show?
35.
Is that 53? No. Look at the second one. What does that show?
53.
Okay, circle that. That's right. Okay, and what about the last one?
Probably.
It shows 53. We can probably assume it does. You could count all of those, but I bet it's going to be 13 ones. So circle that one as well. Are you circling those? Okay, you should have circled this one
Oh, we can use this.
and this one, right? This one and this one should be circled. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so we're using our base 10 blocks to show numbers in 2 different ways. Okay, let's turn to the second page of our packet there.
Wait, is this the second page? Yes. Oh no, this is one.
Alright. It is 482. It says connected at the top. And it says, fill in the blanks. I do not have a slide for this paper. Okay? In this math program, our guided class practice. And you have a workbook for it, okay? So, yes. Okay, so it says fill in the blanks. We have 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first one gives you the number. It says the number is 62. Okay? You need to fill in how many tens and ones, right? So the first one is 6 tens and 2 ones. Fill that in. You should all have a pencil filling this in right now. If you are not doing that, please do that. You filling this in? Okay. Now, I see that Thomas and Emmett understand this. We need to make it a different way. So we're going to take a 10 away. If I take a 10 away, how many do I have? 5. 5 tens. And I need to add that to my 1. So how many ones am I going to have? 12.
You have to add a 10.
I have to add a 10 plus my 2 that I still had. So it is 12 altogether. Okay, I want you to do 3, 4, and 5 on your own. You're going to have to count them to figure out the numbers. It doesn't give you the number. First grade, I'm going to give you a hint. When you look at these, if you go down, it counts by 5. 5, 10, 15. See how you can do that? Okay? It's not 55. Okay, first grade, stop. Freeze. Let's do this one together. I'm going to put it up on the screen so you can see it, because it's a lot to count. Give me a second.
I counted by 10.
Okay, so we have 4 tens, right? It starts with your 4 tens. And then each one of these is grouped in groups of 5, okay? So 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm sorry, my voice is on. 25, 30, 35. So I have 40 plus 35, which is
74.
up
75.
5, 7.
75.
75. Okay? All right. What's one way we can make our 75? Okay? How did they make it? What did they do? We had how many tens? See, Amara?
4.
4. And how many ones did they have? Farhan?
38.
35. Okay? Hold on. Hold on. All right. What's my easier way to make that number? How else could I make that? Emmett? Would you like some help? Nantanen?
40 and count on by 5.
Pretend this picture isn't here. How can I make 75? How many tens would I want? See, Amara?
3.
Pretend the picture's not there. Johannes?
6.
How many tens do I want? 7. 7 tens. That's my easy way to make that number, right? They made it really hard. They can make it that way, but it's hard. Then how many ones would I need?
5.
5. Okay? All right. Let's look at number 4 together.
Okay. Oh, that's these.
Number 4. How many tens do we have?
5.
3, which is 30. And then count your ones. Count them with me. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. What's 30 plus 10, first grade?
40.
All right. So we had how many tens?
4.
3. And how many ones?
10.
10. What's my easy way to make that number? Leroy. 4 and 0. Thank you. Okay. Number 5. You ready?
Yes.
Let's count how many tens we have. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 70.
Whoa. I'm sorry. Let's count those again, and when you actually point to them, stop, and when we're done. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
60.
6, which is 60. Okay, now let's count my ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
So that's 60.
60 plus 22. 0 plus 2 is
2.
6 plus 2 is
8. No. Yeah, 8.
Yep. Okay. Is it okay to show your work at the bottom of your paper or on the side if you don't know the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, it's always okay to write it. Do I need to erase it to pretend I needed to show my work? I didn't need to? No. Do this. If that helps you, use it. Okay. How many tens did they have? How many tens did they have, Eldana? 6. And how many ones did they have, Eldana? 22. Very good. Okay? What is my easy way to make that number using my easiest tens and ones? Burhan?
So you have eight tens and then 2 ones.
Okay. Do you see down here at the bottom it says discuss it? When you see a 2-digit number modeled with blocks, discuss what you can do to find that answer at your table. What can you do? Go.
Oh.